morning, everybody. My name is Joe Valero Jr. I'm with Showcase Photography, and this is an update of the Butters Row Road and Bridge project here in Wilmington. It's warming up. I don't think I'm going to lose any digits to the cold this week, and I'm thankful for that because it has been cold out here. We're going to take a flyover. Hopefully we may catch a commuter rail passing by. We'll see. But we're going to give you a little update, see what kind of developments. I do notice some bigger machines, and some rail ties, it looks like, or some kind of sports that they may be laying down. So we're going to get started. Digger is all ready, eager, prepared to go. Let's get started. Going up. Well, let's start with a long shot of Butters Row. There are those footings again we spoke of last week that we're going to assume are for some stanchions or supports, I suppose, for the bridge that's going to go over the railroad tracks. On both sides of the road. I was hoping we might catch the commuter rail coming by. There she goes. Well, the tracks work, we know that much. We're going to bring in Digger. He's done a good job. And it looks like they're doing a good job, although it is a state project, which tells you it's going to take a little while to get it done. But I think that's your update for this week. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Once again, Joe Valero Jr. coming your way from Showcase Photography. An update of the Butters Row Bridge and Road project.